Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nathan Cope from nathancope.com. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to install processors into motherboards. Specifically, we'll be looking at the processor that we've chosen and the motherboard that we've chosen for our example build. And as you can see, we're looking at images here. We're not really going through a video of showing somebody putting together a system. I feel that this is a little bit of a better format for learning because it's a lot clearer to see the objects and we can discuss things a bit more. All right, so what you're looking at right now is what's called a FM2 socket processor. This is an AMD processor, and I'm showing you the most important part of this processor.